Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, August 17th. I am already in Latvia, but I recorded several practices while I was still in New York. But you can look for more, probably in the middle of this week. I'll be recording from Latvia or Lithuania, wherever I end up first. So it will be new sceneries, new landscapes. I am excited. But anyway, today we continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Where Love is Deep. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Shinichi Suzuki. Where love is deep, much can be accomplished. Despite our culture's overemphasis on doing, there is a rightful place and time to get things done. In truth, there is very little we cannot do. Much of the time, we just lack either the ability to envision the dream built or the confidence that we can build it. I remember early on how my grandmother would encourage me to envision even the smallest dreams down through my hands into the world. She would say, "See it here," pointing to my forehead. And then she would take both my little hands and say, "Now see it here." Then she would laugh and say, "And soon it will be here." With this, she will look around the whole room. It is an amazing thing about being human that we can feel something inside and then build it in the world. It seems we have this inborn need to love and to create. At their deepest, these drives of spirit appear to be the same. For through her love, wasn't Grandma creating me? Don't we help birth another the instant we encourage them to see with their heart? Don't we help birth the world each time we give someone confidence to build what they see with their heart? Somehow we are meant to wrestle the earth, wood, clay, marble, into forms, to seize the air, notes, words, color, into signs, meant to hold other breathing questions like ourselves and shudder as we part. I go on and on as if to declare that life is worth living. And it makes me ask with joy, what shall we fall in love with tonight? To what color shall we devote our being? What instrument shall we be next? Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing at this moment. Just like there is nothing you need to fix about yourself or about the moment itself. It's all just good enough. See if this reminder helps you touch a sense of spaciousness in your being. Maybe enter into a space where all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you simply as energy that they are, without struggle. Now close your eyes if they are not already, and envision some becoming that you dream of. It might be a dream of a solid relationship, or the dream of a home, or the dream of building something lasting with your hands. Breathe deeply and envision the dream fully completed, already existing in the world. Breathe slowly, naturally, and spend some time with this vision. Enter it, circle it. Now open your eyes and look at your hands. Feel the completed dream move into your open hands. And feel your hands pulse with the energy of the dream waiting to be built. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this life-affirming, hopeful reflection. What is your dream waiting to be built? Let it fill your mind, let it fill your hands, and let it fill the world. Remember, there is very little we cannot do. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.